जब भी पॉलिटिकल इंस्टेबिलिटी नज़र आती है मुल्क में तो सबसे पहली आपकी स्टॉक मार्केट टेक्स द हिट बिकॉज वेरी ससेप्टेबल equities आर वेरी ससेप्टेबल टू रिटेल पैनिक. तो उसकी वजह से there was a lot of different kinds of news circulating. Markets didn't start off as negative as it closed. It ended up closing around 4,700 points negative. अब behind the scenes जितना smart money बैठा हुआ था, जितना अक्लमंद investor बैठा हुआ था, उसको एक चीज़ पता थी कि ये companies इनकी earnings पे कोई फ़र्क नहीं आया है. They're good companies, good management. Actually fundamental level पे मुल्क पे nothing is going wrong. On a macro level everything is going good. हमारा relationship with the US, with China, with the current meeting of our Prime Minister, with President Donald Trump, and ऊपर से crude oil prices falling below $60 per barrel. ये सारी चीज़ें macro economically बहुत positive है पाकिस्तान के लिए. So there was nothing fundamentally wrong with the market. It was just panic selling. So anyone जिसने अपने levels देखे हुए थे और देख रहा था कि बहुत सस्ती मिल रही थी, certain stocks, especially some great blue chip companies were selling at such a discount. So people took their positions on Monday. And of course, toward the evening of Monday night, the political unrest had been solved, the protests were called off, and yesterday we saw the market jump 7,000 points in one day. अब जिन लोगों ने redemptions Monday को डाली हुई थी या Friday को डाली थी, and they kind of like, you know, took their position in the market by Monday by exiting, उन लोगों को एक तो they lost 3.4% on Monday. And then what also happened was they missed कल का 4.5% की positive closing. So this is why on this show especially हम कोशिश करते हैं कि हम आप लोगों को encourage करें कि panic selling नहीं की जाए, long term holding की तरफ आएँ, learn to evaluate companies on proper economic parameters and financial parameters जिन पर उनको देखी जाती हैं. Look at management, price to earning, price to book, growth, expansions. Learn to look at their financial statements. उस पर अपनी decisions बनाएं. Don't make decisions based on के market लाल है या हरी है and के panic हो रहा है. I actually spoke to a lot of brokers on Monday. And they were like, oh, mandi aa gayi hai, mandi aa gayi hai. This is not what a mandi looks like. Mandi does not look like macroeconomic improvement, right? Mandi comes when there are fears of recession. That is when people essentially really take out money from the market, and that's when the market falls. Also, a correction is, by book definition, a loss of 10% of market cap or more. That was absolutely not the case. 13% हमने lose किया था Monday को, and then recovered even more than that on Tuesday. So, throughout the day yesterday, the market stayed positive, touching an intraday high of 165,900 points. ये एक technical bounce नहीं था, एक sentiment shift था. The political noise went down. जब हालात stable होते हैं तो investors feel safe to come back in. Trading volumes बहुत impressive थी. Over 586 million shares traded on KSE 100, with 96 out of 100 companies closing positive. Major winners were Systems, NRL, PEL up 9%, BOP up 8%, Lotte Chemical up 8%. Sector-wise, banks, cement, oil and gas, exploration and technology stocks were leading the way. To give perspective, KSE 100 ने almost 40,000 points add किए हैं to itself this fiscal year, and 50,000 points ज़्यादा in the calendar year, which is more than a 44% jump. मतलब कि लोग panic में sell कर गए थे, उन्हें सिर्फ loss book किया, जबकि market ने उसके बाद बहुत solid recovery दिखाई है. This is exactly why every seasoned investor says don't panic sell when the market dips. So जो smart लोग थे, again when fear is high, that's when they go into buying, और वही लोग reward लेते हैं जब market वापस उठना शुरू होती है.